Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials it is made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. On the box, we can see some of the specifications and features that the watch has. As you can see in the box, we have the watch, we have the manual that shows us how to use it, so if you want you can give it a read before you try it. Also, we have the charging cable which we use to charge our watch, which uses magnetic charging. The Mi Band 7 Pro battery life is stated as 12 days of typical use and 6 days of heavy use. It has a 235 mAh battery capacity. There's also a premium metal body here, and the combination of that and the big screen sure make it seem almost like a full-featured smartwatch. We've already seen the Mi Band 7 Pro in two colorways, graphite/black that we have here and rose gold/white. These can combine with 6 silicone straps in colors like Vitality Orange, Resting White, Joy Life Pink, Meditation Green, Nightleap Black, and Stretch Blue. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro face is much squarer and resembles the Huawei Band 7 or Watch Fit 2 more than the standard Mi Band. It has a 1.64-inch rectangular AMOLED display with 280x 456p resolution and 326 ppi pixel density and rounded corners with 2.5D glass on top. With the improvement of Band 7 Pro's display, the delay time is eliminated, and it responds to your touch. Its execution is close to that of a smartphone. Also, it has got an ambient light sensor for automatic brightness adjustment. It has 180 watch faces that you can download via the app. Each watch face has unique designs. Also, the Mi Band 7 Pro gets an always-on display with plenty of watch face options. Mi Band 7 Pro is a 5 ATM waterproof smartwatch that offers protection up to a depth of 50 meters. It can be worn worry-free for daily use or when swimming. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have on Mi Band 7 Pro. If you swipe down, you have the notifications which you receive on your phone. Also, you can open and read those. If you swipe left, you have some options like light, alarm, do not disturb, raise to wake, find my phone, and settings. If you swipe right, you can see some of the widgets we have set up, like weather, status of all your activity, heart rate monitor, SpO2 monitoring or measure the oxygen in our blood. Also, we have stress level monitoring and music player, so all of these widgets can reorganize in the fitness app. If you swipe up, it will show you the app menu with all the apps inside, which right now are on a list view. We have status, which records tracks all your activity steps, calories burned and distance traveled, etc. Running features, a built-in biomechanical movement sensor that tracks all sorts of sports such as running, walking, and others, including a newly added running course, which will help you perform effective workouts according to your needs. Dash Workout. Mi Band 7 Pro workout modes support recording 117 kinds of sports, including indoor running, cycling, rowing, gymnastics, sport walking, spinning bikes, sit-ups, rugby, hockey, volleyball, tennis, baseball, swimming, outdoor running and more. It can record many types of sports, covering many ordinary and professional sports. You can turn on the automatic auto-detect sport recognition feature, which will immediately analyze your heart rate and determine if you're running, walking, treadmilling, rowing, or jumping workout. It means that you don't have to start a recording manually. Mi Band 7 Pro comes with a built-in GPS chip instead of a connected GPS with the phone like it needs Mi Band 7. The tracker supports Beidou, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS simultaneous search and provides more accurate location records. That means it can track your walks, runs, cycling routines, and more without you having to carry your phone in your pocket. Next, we have Activity, which records tracks all your workout done, and you can see all your activity steps, distance, and health monitoring, including the path accurately recorded by GPS. Basic health tracking features also apply, including 24/7 heart rate monitoring, all-day blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring, and more. Heart rate monitoring to measure our heart rating and our recorded measurements. SpO2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood and our previous and average records. Sleep tracking is also on board, and the Mi Band 7 Pro will look at breathing quality during rest, which can be a sign of underlying conditions such as sleep apnea. It will also keep tabs on stress levels and alert if it detects high levels. On weather, we can see our current and upcoming weather and some information about the weather conditions for the next few days. You also can remotely your player on the phone when you're connected via Bluetooth, also and the camera work perfectly with the remote control. Then on the bottom, we've got settings, and let's see some of the major options like Band display. We have some of the faces we can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it. As you can see, we can change the face, and if we press on the watch face and hold on to it for 5 seconds. Xiaomi offers around 180 watch faces for Mi Band 7 Pro that you can download via the app Mi Fitness. You can see in the next video how to connect with the app and how to use it. Next, we have the brightness settings, where we can leave whatever brightness we see fit, from 1 to 5, or auto adjust. This is available in Band 7 Pro. To always on, you can choose smart mode, schedule time, or all day active themes. Next, we have vibration setting. Choose the level of the vibration as we please. And the do not disturb option to turn it on or off, to schedule it, or to put it on smart mode where it will begin when you go to sleep. Next up, we've workout, and we can activate the auto detect option for running and walking and more. Also, we can choose how we want to see our app list. In app layout, we can choose icon mode or list mode. It can show single or double rows icons. In the system option, we have the update, reboot, power off, and reset if we want to get back to default or we want to connect with another phone. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model, and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video, we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps it uses, and what options we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.